What's going on, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413, back for another one.
I see you haters I see you haters. I'm getting away.
Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe. How you guys doing today? Me, chilling like always. Alright, so today, see we back in the garage once again. So today what I'm gonna do is show you how to make your bike a little bit more yours. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot of, you see it like on Instagram and YouTube, Facebook. A lot of people are doing a bunch of different kind of modification, visual modifications to make your bikes look different from everyone else. And I'm gonna show you right now how you can get the cheapest visual mod and the easiest one to do. So this mod is brought to you by the nice guys at Ryker Wraps. It's a small company in East Longmeadow, Mass. RykerWraps.com. And today I'm going to show you how to remove and install new hood emblems. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have a plethora of hoods. So one hood I actually purchased when I purchased my Ryker. I got this other hood. Obviously it was the original hood that went to my Ryker, because this is the hood it comes with. You buy an extra one, you should get two hoods when you get your bike. And then actually when A gave me this light here, it came on a hood, so I've actually have a third hood. Alright, so first we're just gonna take a look at these. We got nice quality, some awesome quality vinyl decals. It actually has the shiny stuff on it, just like the factory ones. I don't have a micrometer right now, so I can't tell you how thick it is, but I'm loving them. And we're going to be putting these on my Ryker today. Alright, so a couple ways you can get this off. You probably can peel it off and just pop it off. You might have some sticky stuff left over. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try with a hairdryer. If you have a heat gun, it might be a little easier to use a heat gun. You're not going to want to get it too hot. You don't want to melt the piece, the emblem. You don't want to melt your hood. So I'm just going to use a hair dryer and heat it up a little bit. So the reason I'm doing this is just to soften up the glue on the back of here a little bit. So hopefully it comes off a little cleaner. I'm testing it by like moving it with my finger to see how much of it moves. So like right about there, it looks like the whole thing's about moving. So I'm thinking that's pretty good to go. Just give it a couple more seconds. And there we go. Let you guys know, I actually purchased these emblems. They weren't given to me, so this is not like a review from a product that was given to me, so it's a non-biased review. Alright, so most of the stuff came off pretty good. I'm just going to roll the rest of it up on top of each other itself to get the rest of it off of there. Alright, so get most of it off of there, get it nice and clean. So you want to make sure you have this clean when you put it on there. So I've actually talked to the owner from Ryker Wraps, and he told me when you're applying his vinyl wraps, you want to make sure you clean the surface with at least, like, I think it was 91% alcohol, to make sure it gets all the chemicals and stuff off the panel before you put your vinyl wrap on there. If you use one that's less than like a 90%, it's going to leave a film on top of what you're doing, and it's going to be negative towards the sticking effect of the vinyl. But I still have some sticky stuff here from the previous emblem, so I'm not going to clean that off just because I'm hoping it's going to give me just a little bit more durability for the stickiness on here. Not saying nothing bad about the stickiness here. Take it off. We're gonna take it. Oh yeah, that's a really sticky. That's pretty sticky. Even after I touched it a couple times, it's pretty sticky. So, comparing this one to this one, size, it's about exactly the same. Actually, the Ryker Wrap one is a smidget bigger, but when this one was on here, it actually had a little gap around the side. So that's actually probably a good thing. That's probably going to fill the space in more, seal it in more seal it up more around the edges. So water and stuff won't get down there if you ride in those kind of elements. The Ryker Wrap one looks like the BRP one looks like it has like some kind of aluminum inside of it. The Ryker Wraps do not, but nonetheless, there's no silver in it for it to need that. So, all right, make sure we get it on straight. You're gonna sit her on there straight. Get her in the center. We're gonna give her a firm press down around the sides. Oh, that is beautiful. That actually fits better. It actually fits this space better than the BRP one. So I put the one with the black, red, and white on this white hood. Actually, black one would look nice too. I think I'm gonna put one of the black ones on one of the black hoods. I'm actually thinking about putting a black one on the black hood so I can have a spare hood, and putting another black one on the other black hood and doing a giveaway for that other hood. Looking at this, what I say is worth the money. Hell to the yeah. And actually, as you can see, this is a custom design. So he has a bunch of designs on his website that you can choose from, or you can send him your design and he can make it for you. I feel like these came out awesome. So actually gonna repeat this step on the back of the bike, and we're gonna be changing the rear emblem to this one. No need to show you guys because it's basically the same thing. All right, guys, so Ryker Wrap emblems, thumbs up. Get yourself a set. It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413. I'll check you guys on the next one.